Can you explain how to calculate YTD salary on a payslip?
Hello, and welcome to our deep dive into understanding your year-to-date YTD salary. Today, we will be teaching you how to calculate your YTD salary using a payslip, an essential skill for everyone, whether you're an employee tracking your earnings or a business owner keeping tabs on payroll.
What is YTD salary?
Before we dive into the calculation, it's important to understand what YTD salary is. YTD, or year-to-date, salary refers to the total gross income you or an employee has earned from the first day of the current year up to the present day. This figure is cumulative, meaning each payslip's YTD will usually be greater than the one before, provided there's no reduction in salary.
How can you find your YTD salary on a payslip?
Now let's talk about how you can find your YTD salary on your payslip. In most cases, this figure will be clearly labeled as the YTD gross or YTD earnings. This number is typically found in the year-to-date or YTD section of your payslip. It's important to remember that the YTD figure includes all forms of income, not just basic pay. This may include overtime, bonuses, or commissions.
How to calculate your YTD salary if it's not provided?
If your payslip doesn't include a YTD figure, don't worry, you can calculate it yourself. Here's how. 1. Identify your gross income. The first step is to identify your gross income for the pay period. This is your total earnings before any deductions like taxes, insurance, and contributions. 2. Add your gross incomes. Once you've identified your gross income for the pay period, the next step is to add up the gross incomes from all payslips starting from the first day of the current year to the present day. Remember, the goal is to capture all earnings within the current year, so ensure you're only counting payslips from January 1st onwards. And that's it. Now you know what a YTD salary is, where to find it on your payslip, and how to calculate it if it's not provided. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to take a more active role in understanding and managing your earnings. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your personal finances.